Hi, this is John from TAG, and today we are going to be taking a look at the TAG Inferno headphones. TAG offers consumers premium, high-quality mobile accessories and the imperceptible, powerful music assistant TAG Inferno Bluetooth earphones are no exception. For the music lovers of the world who need it wherever they go, this is for you. Your TAG Inferno earbuds will travel along in a sturdy case, which is accompanied by a charging cable, line hanging clip, and 3 pairs of earplugs. There will always be a best fit for you. Enjoy full noise cancellation, call control, IPX wetproof resistance, Bluetooth capability with your accompanying mobile tablet or personal computer. The ergonomic design helps the earbuds sit comfortably in your ear, while the rechargeable lithium battery offers 8 to 9 hours of talk time and 7 hours of music playtime. So, whether you're into running marathons, in an all-day study session, or need to be out and about for hours on end, the TAG Inferno earbuds are your perfect companion. So, what are you waiting for? Purchase your TAG Inferno earbuds today.